Oké, guys. Karen die let join Ben. Nee, play your game. Hey, did you see that gun is singan na ba eh? Hey, you guys gotta try this gun, bro, for real. It is MW3 gun. Striker. They must Striker 9. Striker. MW3 gun, bro. Striker, not the Striker 9, bro. That motherfucker is fast.
I thought that's not working. I thought that, yeah.
Look, do this. No, yeah. What's up? What's up? That's how you say hi, dude. Oh, somebody. Oh no, it's only 3 of us. My ass a motherfucker.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the
On the back, baby.
all stations. Enemies dropping into the AO.
Die de hond op een stuk jachtelen en dan hier op je. Dido. Sergeant, do you read me, sir? Yes.
Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy.
Cam, hond op een stuk. Sila jachtelen. Alright, fuck.
Yeah, you're good, bro.
Who the hell out, bro? He's trying to talk.
Enemy soldier incoming.
अच्छा तेरी दवाने का
Oh, he waited until everyone started fighting, then he calmed down.
I got you, partner. I got you. Fuck. I saved you, but somebody killed me.
He's in there. He's in there.
Where's this one? Where's this one? Oh, shit. Hey, muna sila song. Skeptisch ba hindi mo alam mo?
Again.
Hello, call again, you. Where's Shandu phone? Not yet. It's almost. Yeah. Still trying to join. That's crazy. stuck or something, bro. Please let us in. Ja, ist ein Nalgoschlaler. Ein Nalgoschlaler. Long scope. Long shot. Like, we're talking about 1,000. I should have taken them a snipe me airport.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still
Así
here.
es fácil, mira.
Missed
Don, you
it.
still here? Don, you still here?
Movement demon, chill out, bro. Yes, damn it, delay.
Check weapons and gear. Hold into deployment.
Oh, he's still here.
Enemy soldier incoming. Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Alright, mark them, guys.
Resurgence. Stay alive
Fuck
and
these
keep the squad in the
motherfuckers.
fight.
Strongy. Hey, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live, right? We're about to win and you joined. Give me some of you. Break him, break him. Down.
Locate
I'm gonna try moving in.
What the hell is this?
Down.
Oh, that's Cap.
Shooting cap.
Yo, don't bitch.
on your
Damn.
Nice, bro. That's easy.
Easy money.
Good
Good night. Good night.
Good night. They say easy money. Good night. Hey, you better come here if you're still alive. Hey, let me know in the comments if the stream is blurry. Just let me know, please. Just the last time I checked, it was alright. Hey, we can buy loadout, please.
Yeah.
Give me
Oh,
your money.
Somebody shot the. Oh no. We just got. Oh, we got sniper. Sniper.
Disregard that.
Yo, what happened to our money?
Safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Oh,
Friendly loadout drops on the
Oh.
way. Target mark. Request fire.
Hashtag Actafall.
25 remain. Solid work so far.
Hey, we need that hashtag Actafall.
Marking requesting UAV test.
Oh, we got multiple boozes up there. Oh, somebody's trying to block us. Yep. Let's see what you can do.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Let's see if you block us. Standing there?
Hostile UAV in the
I don't know.
enemy destroyed.
Oh, people right there.
Attack map.
12 o'clock. Oh. Oh, I need support.
Oh, some whole team. Oh, shoot down. Shoot us from the roof.
Oh shit, stay alive. They're on the bottom, Tito. Nimet kom yor come mi se. I'm sorry, Tito. I'm sorry. Oh, there are people on the boat too? Fuck, I'm dead.
You motherfucking creepers.
Your squad mate is
Alright, nice.
redeployed.
Come to the boat, please. There's people here.
Fuck. There's one guy on the boat, bro. Fuck
Motherfucker,
that guy,
yeah, he
bro.
looking at me. He trying to be a He trying to be a hero.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the
Where is
skies.
They all up on. Somebody's shooting at them though. Oh, somebody's on the water with me now. You gotta watch out.
Reinforcements inbound.
Somebody's right here.
Hey, yo, relax. Ah, damn.
Down to you, soldier. Stay
Damn.
sharp.
That's kinda scare me right now, y'all. I gotta run the
Whatever.
fuck out of
5 squads.
there. I am a
Race to win the
hero. You don't
You're
go
a hero
over here,
underwater,
bro.
Pretty smart.
Come on,
Them
bro.
fishes ain't dying.
Come on,
The fishes
now.
don't
We
need
gotta
your
be
help,
Stay
bro.
alive,
Yeah.
bro. We can't let the white out.
10
No
remain.
worries, bro. It's trios, bro.
Alright, we got it. We got it, y'all.
Yeah, they're coming.
Oh
They're coming.
shit, they're shooting, bro.
Made it to the safe
But
zone.
they missed
There's three of
anyway.
them.
Hey,
Block
hey,
'em.
just block them. Don't let them come here. One here already. Oh, go, go.
Bro, let me know if you're down.
Oh, that's a
bro.
third place? That's a nice one.
Hit us hard
What?
that time. Dust yourself off.
Again.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
What? Cover me. That's not cover. It's coffee. It is called coffee. Get down. You gotta hurt yourself. Huh?
boppity boo.
You want to do? Pancake. You want? Yeah, enough candy. You gotta eat.
Yeah,
Yeah, let me turn off the fucking shit. There's too many motherfuckers talking. Proximity is power. Damn, bro, you gotta snipe me like that? Nedito almost mais bien. This motherfucker sniped me again. You a bitch.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone.
One line.
where, boy? Oh, God.
Hey, I know where to go.
I'm going right there, bro.
No, it's time for me, bro. Our burrito. Our burrito.
Resurgence.
Come on, we might as well go to Harbor, bro.
Kill to bring them back.
Oofa. Who the fuck is the guy who said we fuck, bro? Who the fuck got abomination guy? Yeah,
He's right in there. He's right in there.
I know he's in there.
I think that's him.
Oh, boy, down there.
One is on top.
He's in there, bro. I need cover. Cover me.
Got you.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, you thought you were gonna kill me, bro. Oh! You lucky bastard from behind and shoot.
Enemy UAV is online. Hostiles have established the SAM turret. Found a weapon.
Oh, he didn't kill me, I run away.
Hostile UAV in the
Pass.
area.
Oh. I am a vassal, you better go. I see you motherfuckers shooting over there.
Enemy UAV overhead. You have reinforcements inbound.
Okay, yellow. Eh, sniper on top.
Enemy counter UAV.
We'll kill you,
inbound.
sniper.
Enemy UAV is online.
I gotta go through it. Somebody's here. Yes.
What the fuck?
Oh, I'm dead. 4 seconds.
Still alive, man.
Yeah. We're good, we're good.
You're redeploying.
Yeah, kill that motherfucker Ivan over there and shoot.
You have reinforcements inbound.
That's the move.
Yeah, I'm with you. It's on top. You're just hiding over there, bro. You're okay. You suck.
Damn.
I swear you suck,
Can't
bro.
figure out how to
Get
go.
hunted.
Woo! Motherfucker! Jet, do you see that shit?
Hostile UAV in the
Thought you killed that punk.
Not on the roof. He's on the. Hold on.
Copy.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
He's on me. Oh, wow.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Keep your head up and return to base for debrief.
Jesus Christ.
We need to play better, William.
25 remaining.
For real, bro.
A rank. You wanna play rank? Oh, whatever. Whatever, Cam, you left? Oh, bro. Where's Dito? Alright. Let's go. Hey! Kimi! Mấy giờ lái thằng nó phân nó kèn đi là kèn hoài rồi lớn sao này xì. Hey, go why the hell Dito left? Alright, there it is. Come on, man. You're breaking my heart.
Man, you guys not ready. Let me fix my loadout, bro.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Cam, put ghost on your shit, bro. You never tell him, huh?
Yep.
Gonna set you
I
up.
mean, Cam is kind of like mature already on Call of Duty, so, you know. He played that shit since 2 or something. So, you know that shit. Alright, let me know, Dito, when you're ready. I'm talking about ready, not help! I keep you.
Alright, yep. I'm ready, bro.
Alright.
Hey, make sure your mic work, bro. Roll up your window, bro.
Tenfold.
Damn, bro, this shit is taking forever.
Like, all the fuck long they want. Yeah. Maybe nobody wanna play rank. No, that cannot be. There's millions of players.
No, pass it to me. I got you.
Alright. Let me just give it to you.
Watch.
Alright. You hard of hero now. Mình kia sa ganda. Arvin. What? Round one ba kaga? Hey, no more bring out toys. Oh, you looking for your paw? I mean, even my job. What do you want? Hey. Hey. Shoot. Shoot. Shoot it.
Oh shit,
Oh. Sorry, sir. Wow, that's a really fast loading, bro.
you feel me?
Give it to
Bada boom,
Cam,
bada
man.
bang. Oh yeah, let you try.
Yeah, let's keep trying. If you cannot, just get the fuck out of here. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, pass it to him, my bad. Pass it
Alright.
down, bro.
You know what? I'm
What's
gonna
going
try
on?
again. Yes! Don't kick it
There we
again.
go.
No kick, darn come. You're gonna broke the teething out.
You know what 39 MS means, or
Nice, 139, 138. It's bad.
it's 39,
It's
not
kind of
45. 45 MS. 45 more speed.
Oh, damn it. Mm. 200. Fuck you, bro. I ain't gonna play your stupid ass. You know what? Just go over there. 'Cause it's real. Chill the hell out trying to be chicken chong. Buona car 98 na naningin. Mm-hmm. Damn right. Tired, very so crazy. Fuck. people still using it.
Man, your stuff is slow, huh?
Alright, whatever. No, it's about to be
Slow.
start, bro. Chill. It's about to be start, and you just say something. Damn. You know what I'm saying?
I'm for real, bro. Are you for real?
Mm-hmm.
Up and stand by.
What the fuck? Oh, sorry, YouTube for the cussing. You guys always block my shit.
Block him again, guys.
You just blocked one of my video, I believe. Cause one of my teammates say, "You a suck ass bitch." So YouTube said,
Who's that kid said?
no, I think right now when I say it, they're gonna use that again. When I just say that, oh my god, that's
Resurgence.
it's not gonna affect my channel. But it's just taking down the
Mark
video.
a drop point for your squad and hit the sill.
We're coming to number 1.
We're going straight to Bonga. We've been hunger.
Fly box UAV is on the way. Enemy UAV is online.
So we did try to calm him.
Get up. Get up. Hey, right, not on.
Oh, there's 3 of them coming down.
Operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Damn.
Confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Oh, what the? That are you guys?
Suck!
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. You have reinforcements. Mark remaining operators from that squad.
Right,
Hunt them down.
yeah.
Bottom is pretty good.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done. All squad mates are in the safe zone. You've got gas moving in.
Oh, you thought you were
There
gonna
we
kill him, man.
Oh damn!
Oh my god!
Where we going? Where we going?
Turning you to the front. Heard this.
എന്തായി കുഴപ്പമില്ല Allah bana onu oh my god, double fucking shooter. Two of them. Two different teams.
You're redeployed.
Damn, dude, fuck up.
There's an increased payout. Enemy UAV.
Why did I land it in this stupid ass area?
Behind you.
Run away, run away. Ooh.
Okay.
Yes!
We've got 10 squads in the field.
Still here, we're still here, y'all.
Oh fuck.
You're never gonna be
Standing,
wise.
soldier.
Never
Survive
gonna
until
be
your
wise.
squad can redeploy.
It's hard for them to kill us, y'all. Fuck whoever's shooting at me right now.
Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
He's running.
Squad mate's back on station. Good work.
You know damn well I'm gonna run, man.
Damn, what the fuck?
That's what I said, bro.
Heal me out,
Where are
bro.
you? Alright, I'm going right now, sir.
Oh, they coming, bro. Child.
Alright, never mind, bro.
I need
Sorry.
a fucking gun, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm on the bottom. Come over here, bro. Like, good stuff in the area.
He coming.
Enemy
Bro.
UAV online.
He's hit.
Oh,
The safe zone.
wow.
Taking effective fire.
Oh my god, you a bitch, bro.
Just stay over there, bro.
Come
Turn
there.
around, turn around. Yeah.
Damn, there's-
Don't move.
Hmm?
What happened?
Nah, up to my girl. Alright, Chet, this look like it's hard for us now.
No, it's not, bro.
Look
Yeah,
at
it
this. Dude, oh, bro.
Down.
Don't
Stay
worry.
alive to bring
Here I
them back.
come again, trying to save you guys. I am a hero.
Nah, you There's like so much places to hide in this map, bro.
Your squad mate is
Hey, chill,
redeployed.
bro. I'm trying to save us all. Yeah.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Hey, yo.
Hostile UAV in the
Battle Royale.
He's a real guy, and I thought I'm just streaming.
Hey, Cam. In the front of the back.
Fire is active. 5 station prices are adjusted.
I told you, bro.
Eat. 5 seconds. Yeah, don't worry, y'all. We're gonna win.
Go get your revenge.
Damn, this area is huge, bro. No good. I'm not gonna lie.
Resurgence window is ending. Watch your step. Reserves have left your squad. We'll redeploy you faster to make up. Down to you, soldier. Stay sharp.
Another time to save you guys.
You have
I'm
reinforcements.
saving
I
you.
am a
I got this.
Oh my god, bro. Oh. It's a game. You got it.
Come over here, bro. I got them down.
You're not.
5 squads still operational with the AO.
I'm actually in your north. Hmm?
Fire sales over. Just in progress.
You got it, y'all. Walan. The way Dito dies.
Man,
is
you're
crazy.
garbage, bro.
Knowing that, keep the pressure on. You're the last one standing,
Yeah,
soldier.
what the fuck? Where am I gonna land it and die at? Well, I survived.
Enemy sentry is
Na,
active.
na, na, na.
Resurgence has been
It's
deactivated.
been a hard one.
Your squad mate's back on station.
How's this guy surviving, bro?
Contract's worth more than you. Your squad mate is redeployed.
I am a hero.
And he's the loudest one. Come get this guy.
Nice. And that's
Come
what
on,
we
relax.
do.
What the fuck?
Hostile UAV in the area.
You do hide on the corner, bro.
Squad's in the safe zone.
I am a hero.
Heads up.
Hey, one is on me, Tito. Oh, where are you, bro?
Contract failed. Stand down.
I buy a game. He's here with you. Oh, almost. Oh, second place is crazy. No, we don't want to see that. And you know damn well we don't want to watch him, yeah? That's the second place. Damn. Let me invite somebody. Maybe we're gonna have a full squad. Tinkerbell looking ass. Join us, bro. Onda only. Alright, let's get it. Fuck it. Hey, you guys see it? No argue. Please, my brain is frozen. Okay? You heard me in the morning. What? 거의 대화에서 뭐 님 나는 왜 얘기? 하면 어떻게 할래 그러냐? 아 근데 나 하고 있는 거 있나? Lucas is good with you.
Motherfuckers do not stop shit.
I'm trying to fucking whack some shit, man.
Nothing wanna eat it, so eat it. Eat this too. Hit your pancake.
Real things coming soon.
Look, eat it with your syrup.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized.
Damn, I didn't have MP. No, C9. Seat member. Seat member, give me. Give me. Go member.
Ready to lose or what?
Alright, let's get it.
Resurgence. Survive and
Hey,
your
what
team
up,
can
chat?
redeploy.
You
Eliminate
ain't ready to
targets
lose.
bring 'em back
Chill the
faster.
hell out, bro.
Alright, soldier. Mark a drop point and go get on.
Yeah. Hey, what up, chat?
It's your boy, Cocky, cool. What's up, Chad? We're still trying, bro. I mean,
Got time
we're
for another bounty.
top 5 automatic, you know?
What they saying, bro? What they saying? Let me know, bro.
Nothing. Just a people killing it. Hey, there are people with us. The whole squad.
Where?
Brother, sister,
Where?
all them motherfuckers. One down, one down. What are you guys doing out here? There.
He's reviving, bro.
You found one squad mate. Get you redeployed faster.
I am a
Stay alive.
hero.
Your squad can redeploy.
This guy, yeah.
Another day. You motherfucker.
You're back on the station. Go get after it. You have reinforcements inbound.
Just no. Yes, no. I'm not rushing.
Flash out.
Wait. Yeah, he's down. Gimme.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated. You're getting another chance. Weapons free. Your squad mate is redeployed. Well done.
boy. Hello, 99, man.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Okay. Fuck.
Get ready. You're redeploying. You have reinforcements inbound.
Yes. On spawn, let me do it.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Woo! Right, like you didn't wait till up. No, motherfucker, you a bitch. No, sorry, YouTube, sorry.
Shit, you chummy.
Eat more.
On top.
You're redeploying.
Hey, eat more. No, fuck you, bro. You just wanna kill me again.
Hostile airstrike incoming.
Oh shit.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. You're losing ground. Moving.
Yo, bro. This motherfucker used my gun to kill me. Let me see here.
You're back to the station. Go get after it. UAV overhead. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh, it's far on the way, dude.
He's over there, bro. Yep.
Yeah.
Squad mates MIA. We're reducing
No,
redeployment.
queda
time.
ahí, abuela, el Daniel.
Squad still operational in the AO. Fire sale active.
There's a
Buy
quick
station
call.
prices have been reduced.
They're breaking, bro.
My copy.
Come on, man. Where you guys at, bro? Two of them, bro.
Get ready. Resurgence window is about
Q1.
to close.
There's two of them, bro. I'm gonna go do loadout, bro.
Almost one more shot. Someone may be again.
Gas closing in.
Hey, you guys done? Yeah, go. Go sit on the couch.
Stand by for redeployment. 3 squads left in the war zone.
Okay,
Stay
more.
alert.
More.
You've made it to the top 10.
Oh, I got my loadout, bro.
Oh, you haven't any martial arts
Done.
down.
Prices are back to normal.
How about again?
There's how someone's on the top of the red building, bro.
Oh,
Oh my god, this motherfucker's still. Fuck you, bro.
watch out, they're coming.
The entire squad, they're fucking goofy. One of them died, bro. One of them died. 2 of them on the bottom.
Oh, I got sniped from the chopper.
Shut the fuck up, you died.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's...
Kill him! Another one! Oh!
Get him, bro.
Go get your revenge.
Again, ngayon na ni room. Apa room? Dan dia. Terbang. Break. Let me take a break. Alright, y'all.